Hello Philippines, hello world. We arrived here at Bato Cave around 9:40 in the morning. 2 times we ride on a train. So this is now the entrance of the Bato Cave. And we have there are plenty of doves and the monkey. That is the signage of Sri Ramayana Cave Art Gallery there, over there. So, yung mga unggoy, the monkey is already tamed. They are not afraid for any visitor. So, sanay na sila sa mga tao. So, this is the view outside of the cave. Okay. Let us see class the monkey. They're playing, waiting. Oh, they're playing there over there. Look at the monkey. Climbing on a tree. Plenty of monkey here. Yan. Yan ang monkey. Another monkey. Plenty of monkey and doves. Hello monkey. You are playing kamote. Guys, so the monkey is eating kamote. Oh, sarap na sarap siya. And plenty of eagles. Over there is a food stall. Yan, punta natin si Lynn. She want to eat breakfast. And we have also a vendor of banana. Oh, ano nang napili ninyo? Ate yun, saan ang napili mo?
Wala pa.
How about si Lynn? Oh, buying another souvenir item.
This one.
Cheaper ba?
Only
Ano, mas barato digdi si Lynn.
25.
Magkano daw?
25.
Magkano? 25 ringgit.
Kanya,
Ha?
25. Sabi ko 20, ayaw niya.
20 ringgit. 25.
Ilang naman? How much?
How about your sunglass?
15.
1.5.
15.
50 ringgit.
1.5.
50 ringgit.
That one only.
You have to buy?
Very big.
50 ringgit. So, 15, 1.5. Okay. Cheaper. Sige. Yan, oh, si Ate yun. Darker. Mas maganda yung darker color. Pwede na 10 ringgits. 10 ringgits. Nice. That is the entrance. Okay. Ikutin natin ang outside view of the cave. Yan. That's Bato Cave. Have different colors of the stairs. O ano na? Tawaran mo.
Pag 22. Ayun na.
Pwede na.
22.
Yan.
Ilingon. Ayan, parigwa ka man.
Yan. Titingnan ni Ate
Pero
Lizzie.
Dayan.
Oh.
I will buy, sunglasses.
Sabihin mo ano lang.
50.
Okay lang.
15.
Pwede na 100.
No.
Give us discount so that we can buy.
Yeah.
buy
We will get inside of the cave later.
25.
Okay. Guys, abangan ang aming pagpasok sa
22.
cave. Bye. First.
Bye.